like 12 hours in. Let's give you guys a view. 12 hours in, the first day after the 7-day cruise. Let's see how long it takes. We are officially 24 hours in of uploading after a 7-day cruise. This is the progress we had after 24 hours of updating and uploading your content to the cloud. We are now at 36 hours uploading to the cloud. And in the 36 hours, the GoPro 11 updates faster than the GoPro 10. 36 hours. Right now I'm at 44 hours. And as you can see, the 10 is still uploading, but the 11 is almost finished. We're going to say 40. We're going to go ahead and say 45 hours. The 11 will be finished uploading 164 files. That's the 11. The 10 is still going. We're officially at 48 hours. The 11 finished in 44 hours. That's why you don't see the 11 sitting right here. This is the 10. 44 hours. Still updating or uploading as well. 48 hours. Still going. Right now we're at 56 hours. The GoPro 10 uploading to the cloud. Going for 56 hours. So I would probably say a couple more hours. We're gonna round it off to 60. We should be done. So we're going to say 2 GoPros. One is an 11 and one is a 10. You're looking at about a good 60 hours of uploading to the cloud.